Hello, everyone. Are you wondering what is an average salary of a construction worker in Romania? Let's explore. Construction remains a strong sector in Romania, especially in urban areas. The average annual gross salary is around $12,000, which comes down to about $1,000 per month. After taxes, the annual salary is roughly $9,600 or around $800 per month. Where you work makes a difference. In large cities like Bucharest and Cluj-Napoca, salaries are usually higher. In rural towns, the pay is often much lower. Experience also affects income. Beginners might earn about $8,000 a year, while experienced workers can make up to $15,000. In most cases, having a university degree is not required, but those with one may move into higher-paying roles like construction management, while those without it usually stay in lower-paid labor positions. Please like the video and share your salary in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Goodbye.